all incredible. Alright, this year we take our power back. We call them the Wolf Pack. We're breaking the spells. We're taking back our songs. We're going to start with that government we never wanted anyway. We're going to start with our seeds and soil. We're going to start with our children, our women, our brothers and sisters. Let's take back our songs.
I know. Well, I was handing it back.
That's awesome.
A hurting man sat down for the pledge to stand up for his brothers who were killed by the men in the badge. And all the news ran dark and talked like they were patriots, while they made excuses and got paid for it. I heard a man sat down for the pledge to stand up for his brothers who were killed by the men in the badge. And they made excuses and got paid for it. And the crowd goes wild, wild. And now the streets are full of clowns, 'cause the clown is running for the highest job in the land that no one understands. We're addicted to this life, but we're so much more than this. It's gonna take a queen to lead. It's gonna take a kingdom out. It's gonna take a world to have. People fill their graves with the neon gods they made. They've forgotten their hearts. They've forgotten why they came. These politicians are in bed with the demons that they fed, and they defiled this house with greed and bitterness. And now the Church of England stands to ruin this native land. So we call on the wolves, and the wolves come running. So we call on the wolves. So we call on the wolves. So we call on the wolves. And the wolves come running. And the wolves come running.